2, 1, fight!
Stay on it.
Drive right at him, buddy. That was not right at him.
Both robots with weapons up to speed, engaging each other. Now, HellFire has a special kind of way to get around.
Called a shuffler.
It's called shuffler. Because of the shuffler, you get to be 1.5 pounds.
Oh, no, he broke it.
I want to tap
Keep
out.
driving.
I want to tap out.
Why? You keep going, buddy.
I want to tap out.
See if you can get him to break himself. We gotta change the chassis anyway.
No, I can't move.
You can move, see?
Okay, barely.
That's better than not moving. Better than losing.
HellFire.
Keep going, buddy.
I tap out. I tap out.
No, Colin, you're not tapping out.
Tapping out.
No, he's not.
I want to, but he won't let me.
Drive, buddy. Drive right into him.
Still kicking.
It's a sticker, not my robot. I can't move. I'm tapping
You're
out.
moving while you're saying you can't move, buddy.
I am. But then I have no eyesight. The belt's okay. Don't mess with the belt. Do not mess with the belt.
1 minute.
Oh, minutes ago.
You can still move, buddy.
Has to drain your teeth to die.
We gotta replace the whole thing anyway, so might as well.
Minute that spiral. Oh, another big hit.
I'm a hammer now. I'm a hammer.
Try and go the other way.
Looks like you might only have control of one wheel.
Yeah, he's about done.
I'm a hammer. I don't care. I'm a hammer now.
Here comes HellFire.
Alright, you can tap if you want, buddy.
Well, now you convince me to fight, so I
Now
won't.
he doesn't want to tap out.
Now I don't want to tap out. I'm convinced to fight.
Oh, another big hit.
He won't die.
I won't.
Oh! After drain the teeth, you give
He
up.
won't
15
attack my
seconds.
weapon.
Left in the match.
Are you
That's
stuck
all
over there?
broken. Yeah, I'm trouble.
Well, it's only 10 seconds anyway.
I'm moving. I am moving.
I don't think I now.
He's done anyway.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright. Well, we know who won that one.
Yeah, HellFire.